You're absolutely right. The Midlands is famous for many things, historically and currently. But perhaps the most outstanding thing it's famous for is hiding its light under the bushel. And hopefully the launch today of this very important report will help focus all our attention on just the important role the Midlands is playing in these particular sectors. Now, for those not familiar with the Midlands engine, let me just say a few words about that, if I may, because we're a partnership of local authorities, local enterprise partnerships, universities, businesses, and other organizations working with government and focused on economic growth and recovery here in the Midlands. Now, I'm sure most of you know the Midlands is home to 11 million people, 800,000 businesses, and it contributes about £250 billion a year to the UK economy. It's an economy about the size of Denmark. So it's a very material economy in its own right, but historically, people have thought of it from the point of view of just manufacturing. Now, the Midlands Engine Partnership focuses on a series of important initiatives to overcome barriers to economic growth in the region and to support a sustainable economic recovery as we look beyond the pandemic. All of our work is underpinned by data from the Midlands Engine Observatory and is additional to the work already being carried out by our partners. Health and life sciences is one of the sectors which our observatory has identified as a key priority for the region, and why we have therefore brought together with the Midlands Engine Health Partnership this meeting and event today. It's such an important event for our region. And the Midlands is home to an exciting collaborative ecosystem primed for life science development and investment. Over 13% of all jobs in our region are in the healthcare and life sciences sector, some 593,000 jobs, including the largest medical technology sector in the UK, which alone is worth 2 billion in GVA to the UK economy. Very material. One of the most outstanding aspects is the region's research excellence capability, with world-leading science side by side with life-saving care. It's this combination that has allowed the Midlands to both support and drive the UK's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Regional partners have come together to deliver research excellence, rapid manufacturing, and life-saving clinical care. Two brief examples of this pioneering work in our region is, the first one is the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, which we as a country are placing such great hopes on, is set to be manufactured on Keele University's Science and Innovation Park through an agreement between Cobra Biologics and AstraZeneca UK in partnership with the University of Oxford. Collaboration. Secondly, earlier this month, the University of Birmingham announced the development of a new COVID-19 test which reduces testing time from 30 minutes to less than 5, while still delivering extremely accurate results. And of course, there are many more besides this, but all too often, we hide our light under the bushel. The report being published today demonstrates the strength of the life sciences and health sector in the Midlands, and the wealth of expertise and facilities in our region, which have been mobilised in response to COVID-19. Particular areas we have identified as strengths, and indeed in some, we are leaders in the UK, or indeed are leading the world. These include medtech, healthcare, immunology, genomics, clinical trials, design, regulation, and manufacturing. This expertise is supported by well-established collaboration networks such as the Midlands Innovation Health and Midlands Health Alliance. So it is with the greatest of pleasure today that we're able to launch this report and perhaps focus light on this huge opportunity we have here in the Midlands. And to realise that opportunity, What this event demonstrates is the power of bringing people together, working together, collaborating together to drive the common good. So thank you all for attending the event. And I duly, Sudesh, say that the report is formally launched. Back over to you.